Hi guys, welcome back to the cyclekart workshop for episode 11 of the Delage cyclekart build. In today's episode we are building the floor for the kart, which will be made out of two pieces of aluminium, two because the large one we have isn't quite long enough, but it's the large pieces there and the smaller pieces here, and it will be riveted onto the chassis rails around here. So the edges will need bending up and the pieces need cutting down, and then it can all be riveted together. To make it strong here, where we're going to be standing in and getting out, this piece I made will go underneath the actual floor, and then the floor will have two slots for these bits to come up and to be bolted in like that to the chassis rails. This is significantly stronger than the aluminium. It's made out of steel. Let's get on with the build. We've just bent down the first side of the floor, which will be the connecting side between the two panels. We've bent it down by hand with it clamped between these two bits of angle iron, and then we finished off the bends by using this hammer. We've got the floor bent and clamped into the cyclekart, and it is now ready to be riveted on. As you can now see, the floor is completely riveted in, and the supports underneath, which are also riveted on, are bolted to the chassis. So I've just got to wipe out all of the stuff that's collected in there, all the swarf and oil, and then I can sit in it and see if I fit. I can confirm I've fit and it all feels very strong.